word. She said, I suppose you heard about Alice. Well, I rushed to the window, I looked outside, and I could hardly believe my eyes. As a big limousine moved up into Alice's drive. Oh, I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got her reasons, but I just don't wanna know. 'Cause for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I feel or maybe get a second glance. Now I gotta get used to not living next door to Alice. Grew up together, 2 kids in the park, carved our initials deep in the bark. Me and Alice. Now she walks through the door with her head held high, and just for a moment I caught her eye as the big limousine pulled slowly out of Alice's drive. I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got her reasons, but I just don't wanna know. 'Cause for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I feel and maybe get a second glance. Now I gotta get used to not living next door to Alice. Sally called back, asked how I felt. She said, I know how to help. Get over Alice. She said that Alice is gone, but I'm still here. You know I've been waiting for 24 years. And then the big limousine disappeared. I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got her reasons, but I just don't wanna know. 'Cause for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I feel and maybe get a second glance. But I'll never get used to not living next door to Alice. No, I'll never get used to not living next door to Alice.